Hey guys, the next subject that we are going to start is network theory. So as you guys know, network theory is one of the very simple subject guys. So comparing to your communication systems, semiconductor devices, analog electronics, this is very small. Means the conceptual wise is also very easy to understand, and you guys a time spent to learn this course will also be very much small. So what you can expect me from that, the entire A to Z analysis in network theory I will provide you. So what is the fundamental things and how the fundamentals will be converted into concepts, from the concepts into real-time environmental analysis, everything I will provide. And also every topic, every subtopic will have a previous year questions solved and some examples for you guys to solve. Network theory is completely with the circuit analysis only, so that I will be only dealing with circuit and then explaining the concept. So everything you guys can expect me in that much level. So I will make sure that you guys learn the topic very much. So what are the topics available is the basics of network analysis. So which is nothing but normal. Before that we will be dealing with the particles, like what do you mean by charge, what do you mean by mass, what is mean by power, voltage, current, every fundamental term I will let you know. After that, we will be dealing with KVL, KCL, and then some DC theorem, some transitions, some theories are there like power transfer theorem and then superposition theorem. Those theorems I will explain it perfectly. And after that is the transient analysis, so which is one of the very important thing. So transient analysis we have plenty of good weightage in gate and every gate of exam. In steady state AC analysis also the same thing. So I will explain these topic very much clearly, so don't worry guys. And a two port network, magnetic coupled circuit, three phase circuits are some smaller topics, so which each requires some two classes only to explain. So I will make sure that these all the topics will be covered in a perfect manner. So what will be weightage expected is the 10 to 12 percentage of weightage we can expect in every exam guys. So in gate examination previously, in a 2025 gate examination, I have seen 13 marks was asked from the network theory. I am not sure, but about 10 what asked there. So I will make sure you guys can get this entire mark. So this is very easy guys. So every year the network theory and signals and systems is the 100 percentage criteria. So every students who are learning from me, or every students who are learning with deep motivation, they will be able to score this perfectly. These full marks they can clearly score it. So this will be a booster for you guys in case of if you guys are struggling to get above 50 marks, like, so this will be the booster for you guys. So once you guys was all this able to crack this one, then you guys can able to achieve it clearly. So what are the standard books I will be suggesting you is a study queue. So study queue is one of the books so where you guys can refer multiple problems here. So this is particularly for circuit analysis. So even college students are referring this only. So this if you guys, my lecture will be fine. So if you guys need to learn or practice more, I am suggesting you guys to go for this one. And Chakrabarti, so that is one another one book. So where there also some real time problems with some good explanation was there. Chakrabarti, so you guys can refer these two books. Okay, so these two books will be good for you guys if you guys want to start that's something extra apart from my studies, means you, I am suggesting, strongly suggesting you guys to go with this. So from here, so we'll be starting each sub module from the next classes. So network theory is our next, I think this is the fourth subject I was taking. So there is some 10 subject only total. So if you guys learn the 10 subject, I'm pretty sure you guys can crack any interviews and even get examination, you guys can get it clearly. So I will be completing that. After that, I will make sure some other subjects which are not in the gate examination, like VLSI are not there, CMAS are not there. So those signal processing, wireless communication, those subjects are not there. But I will explain those things for you guys to get clear the college examination or even core interviews. Those things I will explain for sure. So for now, we are starting our next subject, which is network theory. From next class, we will be starting with our fundamental introduction to the network analysis. So stay tuned, guys. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. So forward this video to as much as your friends so that they can also be study with it together. So discuss with you and learn together, and we can crack and achieve things next year or year after that. Once you are completing the final year, you guys will be good at a good core company, or you guys will be at IITs, or you guys will be at NITs, and then you guys will be at some other PSUs. That is depending on how much your what is your expectation and how much you guys are studying. So I'm wishing you all the best to start with this next subject. So please stay with me and motivate me to post more good contents, and like, share, and subscribe channel. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.